Hello gamers, this is totally unscripted, but I have a new thing about Mabobber for you. Okay, so I trained a new model on a new system. This won't be replacing any of this won't be replacing the Engrok system, but it'll be more of like a supplement. What's really cool about this is it lets you make singing characters. Right now I only have 4 because, yeah, but I'm planning on training other models soon. Okay, so first what you're gonna want to do is play the first code box and see if you get a good GPU. It'll be like the old, so I've got a V100, so that's good. So yeah, this will be like every other notebook I've made. You'll want anything but a K80. Then you have to play this next one to download all of the requirements. It takes a pretty long time to run, so I might cut out me waiting for it to run. It like takes a stupidly long time to run. Oh yeah, while we're waiting, we might as well get an audio clip ready. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get an audio clip. It can be anything, but it should have no background music or anything. I'm gonna get an audio clip of X when, or well, 4 when they were pretending to be X, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna open it in Audacity. Okay, let's switch on over to there. Okay. Okay. So now we're in Audacity, and what you're gonna want to do is make sure it's mono. If it's not mono, if it doesn't have one channel here, you're gonna want to go up to tracks, mix stereo down to mono, but I don't have to do that because it's already mono. And then you're also gonna want to go down here and change it to 220550. And then you're gonna want to export it. Just try not to overwrite the old file you had. Just save it somewhere separately. Okay, so there, I saved it. Now let's go see if that other thing is ready. Okay. It's still going. Okay, so whenever it's ready, you're gonna want to take a code, just like the very first models I made. This requires a little code that's actually part of the link. So I'll put the link in the code link in this thing in the description. But whenever this is done, you have to paste it into a certain area. Oh yeah, and then while you're waiting for this, you can, once you've gotten your audio file ready, you can choose upload over here in this file section with a right click. Then you have to go get the audio file and upload it. This is taking a while, yeah. Yeah, so the audio file you choose, as long as it doesn't have any background noise, it can be pretty much anything. It can be you saying a line, voice acting a line that you want to make 4 say. So like saying something that you want 4 to say out loud. Or it can be a sample of another character saying something. Or it can even be singing, which I'll show off in a little bit. Okay, it's still going. Yeah, this isn't gonna be very edited either. Sorry about that. Is it almost done? Let's see. It's still at that point. It should be almost done soon. It's uninstalling a bunch of stuff. It doesn't need any more. Okay, there we go. Then you run this one. Don't run 3B unless something goes wrong. Unless, like, it goes wrong in the way that it's described right here. So then we just gotta wait. And it's the loading. There we go. This is the interface, so it's all nice and stuff. So first you choose what character you want. There's My Little Pony characters like Twilight and Pinkie, but we're not gonna mess with those. We're gonna choose custom model, then copy paste this, which I'll put in the description right there. Next you're gonna choose update file list, and go find the WAV file you uploaded before. Wait for it to load. Okay, and while you're waiting for it to load, type in right here what it says in the WAV file. So in the WAV file, it's a WAV file of X saying "Don't lean on me." And, okay, so it's ready, and you've got your transcript. These settings I'll explain some other time, maybe in this video, I'm not sure. Then you choose generate, and it should go.
Don't lean on me.
See, it's that one line next said where he said "Don't lean on me," but it's forcing it instead, which is pretty neat. Yeah. Or I guess both would have been said by 4, but like, you get the idea. It's in a forward voice instead of an X voice. Okay, so if you want to make it sing something, what you're gonna want to do is oh yeah, don't put an entire song or something in here, even if it's just the vocals. You have to cut it up into like parts of like 20 seconds or less each time. Okay, so I'm gonna choose part of Cabinet Man by Lemon Demon. I need to check what it says in that. I need to check what part that is. Which lyrics he sings in that part.
But all my organs were living on inside. Circuit board to brain, with 2 lungs collecting change. One big human heart gently beeping.
Okay, I'm brain fart for a minute there. Oh yeah. So, okay, I'm sorry, I have the...
But
yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get the lyrics. And then make sure that they're not on separate lines. So, I'm not sure if you have to put proper punctuation, but I'd like to do it. Okay, so press update file list whenever you upload something over here. And then you just gotta, oh yeah, choose the file. Sorry, brain fart again. Blah. Okay, when you're doing singing, okay, so when you're doing just talking, you can leave this off. But when you're doing singing, you have to turn this on, then change this to 1. I guess other values might work, but I always just use 1 because it's easy to remember. And then for each part of the song you have to do the same thing for it and make sure the number here is the same. Okay, so let's try generating.
But all my organs were living on inside. Circuit board to brain, with 2 legs collecting chins. One big human heart gently beating.
Okay, there we go. It sounds like this model isn't as good as the other ones because it focuses on voice conversion rather than just voice. voice synthesis. So since it's trying to copy a voice rather than it's trying to copy a specific line rather than just a voice, it'll come out sounding kind of crackly and weird. But hopefully the people working on this technology managed to make it better. Oh yeah, and then after this part, I'm going to show you a little preview of something I've been working on.
Let me introduce myself. You didn't think I was done? Well, I've just been pounding my fun, baby. Some people at fork and chicken playing